What if you could express yourself without limitations? Unity introduces the world's first Velcro backpack. Our unique design allows users the freedom of customization, creativity, and convenience. The Unity team offers custom design options for unique prints on fabric Velcro patches, allowing you to continuously interchange the look of your backpack. One backpack equals unlimited designs. Do you hate carrying your board? Simply peel and apply a pre-cut design onto any skateboard's grip tape, enabling the board to stick onto the face of your backpack. Our industrial strength hook and loop application is designed to hold skateboards, longboards, and even electric boards. We have the product, the process, and the people. Now we need your help to unite the world one backpack at a time.
First of its kind, the Mic Rig is a universal video grip featuring an integrated stereo microphone. To promote our Kickstarter campaign, we'll be giving away Mic Rigs to 10 lucky winners.
Ditch the back-breaking shovel this winter and make light work of heavy snow with Ion, the first completely cordless, battery-powered snow shovel from Snow Joe. Compact and lightweight, the Ion shovel is ideal for quick snow pickups in tight spaces. Clear snow off your steps and sidewalks, even your decks and patios. The Ion shovel starts instantly with the push of a button, without the hassle of messy gas, fumes, or frustrating cords. Powered by a 40-volt lithium-ion battery, Ion delivers up to 52 minutes of whisper-quiet runtime on a single charge, and packs a powerful punch with its 500-watt brushless motor. Clear 13 inches wide and up to 6 inches deep with each pass, while throwing the snow up to 25 feet away. Quick snow removal means less winter work and more winter fun. So go with Joe and get snow out of your way on your snow day. Ion from Snow Joe. Cut the cord.
This is the PowerLight Mini, a portable light that does the work of a personal lantern, bike light, and phone charger, so you can do more with less. BioLite Edge Lighting packs big light and battery life into a small and compact space. The result? An incredibly portable lantern that doubles as a hands-free headlamp alternative, so no more blinding your friends at the campsite. Rotate the clip stand out and use the Mini anywhere. Tabletops, trees, and tents. The Mini features 4 lighting modes: white lantern, red night, red and white strobe, and a point light for maximum visibility. Lantern mode is dimmable at the touch of a button, and you can put that strobe mode to good use on your next bike ride. The USB rechargeable battery provides up to 52 hours of light or a power boost to your phone. The Mini is available in 4 colors. See, be seen, be charged with the BioLite PowerLight Mini.